Beck, this is Matt, and this is our fur baby Roger. We are BMR Adventures, travelling and working full-time around Australia in our Salute caravan.
So cool.
Welcome back to a new episode. We are finally heading back home for Christmas. So yeah, we've started our journey. We're on day 3 and we're heading to Lightning Ridge today. So we'll get to show you some outback towns on the way back home. Can't wait. Quick pit stop at the Bandy Bakery. And it's Sunday today, so we're pretty excited it was open. We are not too far from Lightning Ridge now, so heading west. Well, we're officially crossing the border into New South Wales. Let's hope the roads aren't too bad. We've done well. We're going to arrive at Lightning Ridge in 40 minutes. Crossing the border. It's been a while since we've left Queensland. We made it to Lightning Ridge, Black Opal Country. Yoo! Turn left. This is a cactus nursery. Wow. They're so huge, yeah? Yeah. It says on that sign, danger, mad dog, stay in the car. Roger, what do you think? You want to meet the mad dog?
You want to meet the mad dog, honey?
There's the stone houses to your right.
To the right? So this must be the working opal mine.
Ooh.
And you have a look. Oh, let's have a look, Vicky.
So this is the working opal mine. Obviously today, and we're doing the green car tours. You can just do them yourself and just drive around, and there's a little green door at each point of interest. Yeah, so it's quite good.
They've got car doors and they're just scattered all over the place and they're numbered, and it's just point of interest, and you just drive your cars down these roads and it tells you a little bit about what they've done here or what they're doing.
Yep, cut mines and it's also people's private property as well, which is interesting.
Don't quote me on this, but I reckon this is one of these, they're like a vacuum cleaner. So they suck up the soil that they've loosened in here, sucks up through there and then spits out, and it creates like their little piles of dirt, like what you see over there. Pretty cool, but these, yeah, all these open shafts, they're just everywhere. They just put like beds, frames and stuff over them and job's done.
Sunk in 1902.
Yeah. So this place is working.
Yeah. That creeps me right out.
Watch his little bucket coming in. So they must be underground, these guys. They fill it up with dirt, and the bucket comes and tips it all out.
Unstable.
No, it's fine. But look at them all. There's spawns everywhere. Very, very cool. Makes me wonder if like they all link to each other or what.
Is the blackest cloud I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Look, the cloud. It's so black.
Yeah. Living up to a snake.
Yeah. For sure. Well, today we are on the road again and we're heading to Cobar. We're going to stop the night in Cobar and have a look around there too. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll be pulling into Cobar in about 4
edition, the Lightning Ridge edition. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was good fun. It was a bit of a crazy sort of town, and it's a different, quirky sort of joint, and we liked it. Probably should have stayed a little bit longer, but that's okay. Yeah, so I hope you liked it all and everything. And next episode, you might see these guys. KMSJ, they are. Make sure you give them a like and subscribe and check them out. They're our friends' kids. So we're up here in Swan Hill all together, and we've had the New Year's, and it's been good fun. And these guys have decided to start their YouTube channel. So yeah, it's KMSJ Life. Yeah. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you next time.
And
Cheers.
in this video, make sure to smash that like button. Bye.